Is JPP JPY. Let's start with the weekly time frame and then break down to the lower time frame as well. And we'll discuss the day trade setup on the lower time frame as well. So here we have a weekly time frame. Let's draw some zones here. Here we have a support. Here we have a level. Also we have a level here as well. Here we have another level. And this is very important level because market came to this level and get rejected and go all the way bearish. For easy understanding of levels, we can use line chart as well. Let's draw level here as well. So this is all we have on the weekly chart. Let's move down to the daily time frame. So as we see, we have almost the same level on daily time frame that we discuss on weekly time frame. So once levels overlapping on higher time frame, it gets stronger and stronger, and it get respected in different ways. And these stronger levels provide a good trade setup opportunities. Like we can buy on support after the confirmation, and we can sell on resistance after the confirmation. So good understanding of support and resistance zone is play an important role in trading. So last time when we discussed this pair, we expect that market could respect this area because this is a weekly and daily zone as well. And market does exactly the same. It respect this area and go bullish. So let's go down to the H4 time frame and see what we have on a day trade setup. Let's draw a minor zone here. Here we have a zone as well. So this would be a no trade zone for us. So once so what we expect from this kind of structure, so we have to wait for the market to break this structure at the above side like this, and we follow the price action on the lower time frame, and then we look for the buy option once market come down to retest this level on the lower time frame like this, and then our target would be this zone. This is also a weekly and daily level, so this is our first and last target for the day trade setup. So this is all we have for this pair. Our bias is bullish for this pair, and we look for the buy option once market come back to retest the level, and we follow the price action on the lower time frame. So this is all we have for this pair. Also this is a 100 pip move as well. So this is a very good opportunity on a day trade setup. So this is all we have for this pair. Thanks.